Morning student. Today topic is flow and its methods. What are the different type of methods? We are going to use the flow and its methods. So what is meant by flow? Flowing is a primary tillage operation which is performed to cut and break and invert the soil partially or completely. It is an initial major soil working operation of any land that will give the upper crust of the soil, breaking the clods and making the soil suitable for sowing seeds. We can prepare the seed bed before sowing the seeds. For that, we can give the better soil in form of tilth condition. The normal flowing using a indigenous flow or country flow, we can use up the maximum depth of 15 centimeter. Whereas country flow, whereas contour flow is method of flowing in which the soil stand along the contour lines. That is called a contour flowing. The purpose of flow is to obtain a deep seed bed for good texture. Then only we can prepare good seed bed for sowing any type of seeds, and also to increase the water holding capacity of the soil, to improve the soil aeration, to destroy the weeds and the grasses, to destroy insect and pesticides, pests, to prevent soil erosion. After flowing operation, we can prevent the soil erosion during the rainy season, and also to add fertility to the soil by covering the vegetation. Flowing of land. The separate the top layer of soil into the furrow slice. The furrows are tanned sideways and inverted to varying degrees, depending upon the type of flow or type of implement used. The furrow slice is tanned the sideways and inverted and pulverized the soil. These are some of the flowing terminology like furrow, fake furrow, crown, furrow slice, dead furrow and furrow wall. So what is meant by furrow? It is a stretch of formed by an implement in the soil during the field operation. Furrow slice, the mass of soil cut, lifted and thrown one side is called furrow slice. Furrow wall means it is an undisturbed soil surface by the side of the furrow. Crown means the top portion of the tanned furrow slice is called crown. Fake furrow means a rise reaches left at the center of the strip of land. When the flowing is started from center to side is called fake furrow. And also dead furrow and open space left in the between two adjustment strips of land after finishing the flowing operation is called dead furrow. The small area is undisturbed or unplowed, it is called dead furrow. And also headland, while flowing with tractor to tan a strip of unplowed land left at the end of the field for tractor turning is called headland. The maximum about 6 meter for in case of using the tractor 2 bottom or 3 bottom flow. This is the method of flowing. There are two types of methods, casting and gathering. Casting means Whenever a plough works round a strip of ploughed land, it's said to be a gathering. Casting means whenever a plough works around a strip of unploughed land, it's said to be casting. The continuous ploughing method. The full land in this method, we are separating the full land by 3/4 of land. After separating the 3/4 of land, you are using the tractor and marking the one side and the end of the land. After marking the two reaches, we can start the ploughing operation from using start with the casting method. Means your side to center you are going. For 3/4 of land, you are completing ploughing operation with 1/4 of land. After completion of 1/4 of land, again you are starting with the gathering operation. The strip of ploughed land around you are going to work. The continuous operation of gathering operation, that will be complete of 3/4 of land. The repeat of this operation will you can plough the entire field of the land. Another type is round ploughing. In this ploughing, there are two type of methods. Starting at the center, starting at the outer end. Starting at the center is nothing but it is a gathering method. The strip of ploughed land you are working on around the strip of ploughed land from center to side. And also second method is starting at the outer end. You are working side of the land to center. That means casting method. And also another type is one-way ploughing. It is also called a reversible plough. This is a special type of plough. Is called a reversible plough. The one-way plough, such a plough tends furrow slice left side as well as right side. After headland is marked, the operator plough along the side of the landmark. On the end of the first strip, he tends to tractor a loop and return down the same furrow. We are coming the same furrow. There is no take furrow and fake furrow in this method. Mostly in the sloping field, we are using this method. The one-way ploughing is mostly we are using the sloping the land. Thank you.